Hi, everybody. Wanted to give you a quick ranch update. I'm sure you've seen a lot of progress on the outside of our building, including this beautiful stonework. We're really excited about how it really sets it off. I'm walking down our future driveway that concrete is supposed to be poured this week. So we're going to have lots of parking on either side. And then this driveway will come off Dairy Road and circle around back to the building where we'll do van drop off. And then you can also continue around to be in front of the school if you want to go to the ranch or to the cottage or to the barn. Here's our dumpster pad. On the inside of the building, we've got toilets in our boys' room and preparation for urinals on the wall. In the ladies' room, we have 6 toilets installed and the partitions have been ordered as well. And there'll be 5 sinks in the girls' room. Those are our few exciting updates for this week. They're also supposed to start the prepping for the floor this week so the LVT tile can go in all the classrooms. And we're supposed to have power any day now. So we're really excited about that. Get the air conditioning going and then the rest will fall into place. So thanks for your patience and your excitement with us. And we look forward to giving you some more updates soon.